Thank you, Mr. President, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. SPREP is honored to be part of UNEA 3. As the intergovernmental organization responsible for biodiversity, climate change coordination, waste management and environmental monitoring and governance in the Pacific Islands, SPREP is acutely aware of the pervasive and persistent nature of pollution and the toll that it has on the health of communities and the environment. Pollution and growing volumes of solid and hazardous waste are major threats to the environment and the sustainable development of Pacific Islands, driven by economic growth that has been based on a linear economic model and demand for commodities by a rapidly increasing population. The Pacific region is a recipient of marine pollution, which has originated from other distant countries and maritime activities through its transport by ocean currents and the concentration of waste in gyres. Like climate change, the negative impacts are experienced disproportionately by Pacific Island countries and territories, while other nations mainly bear the responsibility of causing them. Of particular concern is the increasing prominence of marine plastic pollution and marine debris, with multiple adverse impacts to many sectors of society. The issues of military legacy waste from World War II shipwrecks and nuclear testing form part of the marine pollution story in the Pacific region. SPREP recognizes that good practices in waste and chemical management apply to and offer solutions for both land-based and maritime sources, with flow-on benefits for mitigating climate change and enhancing ecosystem and species conservation. Pacific leaders in September of 27, when they met for their annual meeting under the Blue Pacific banner, committed themselves to fast-track the development of policies to ban the use of single-use plastic bags, plastics and styrofoam packaging, and call on Pacific Rim partners to join and commit to action on addressing marine pollution and marine debris to maintain the environmental integrity of the Pacific Ocean for people, planet, and prosperity. At this UNEA 3 Assembly, SPREP publicly pledges its support to the Beat Pollution Engagement Campaign to help end pollution of the Pacific region's air, land, waterways, and oceans, and safely manage chemicals and wastes for member countries through the collective actions and by reducing its own pollution footprint in the region. The SPREP pledge recognizes that pollution and growing volumes of solid and hazardous waste are major threats to the environment and sustainable development of Pacific Islands, as articulated through its Pacific Regional Waste and Pollution Management Strategy, referred to as the Cleaner Pacific 2025. Thank you.